Hey guys, so you would have seen me obviously reviewing the Gizzu power station, right? And one of the things come up is, okay, how do I decide which is the perfect Gizzu for me? And the cool thing is that it's not a guessing game anymore, because Gizzu actually has a calculator to see what sort of power bank would work for you and your situations. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. How's guys? What's going on? So what we're going to do, we're going to head over to our PC. So in the description below, there is a link to the Gizzu website, right? And on the Gizzu website, you would see that there is a runtime calculator. So the runtime calculator is going to tell you how long a specific device can hold up whatever you want to use. So you see on the left hand side, there's a whole list of applications, air fryers, alarm systems, Android boxes, Apple MacBooks, camping fridges, desktop computers. So say, for example, right, we want to keep our DSTV decoder and let's say our 32-inch TV, 60 watts. So by choosing those two devices, we have selected like 60 and 50, so that's 110 watts in total. Now what we could do from there is, it's telling us, okay, we've selected 60 watts and it's showing us the runtime of the available UPSs. So you can see the Gizzu Hero Pro, the exact device that, that's not my device, but like the Hero Ultra, that can sustain for 30 hours those two devices. 15 hours on the Hero Pro, 10 or 9.4 hours on the Challenger Pro. Then we have the Hero Max, that's 8 hours or 7.9. We have 6.5 on the Challenger Max. This is the 835 watt hour. And then we got 4 hours on the Hero Core, which is the device that we own. So it's as simple and easy as that. And you can see the other cool thing, there are some indicators at the bottom. Apart from it telling you what's the cost of the device, it's telling you indications at the bottom. So watt hours, so this can handle up to 3,840 watts. Our two devices are 110 watts. So you can see our device is a 512 watt device or max watt device. We have 110 so far. And it also gives you the recharge time of the devices, the time that it'll take for all of these devices to recharge. So you can, if it's obviously something that you would consider, if it can hold up your product, number one. Number two, the time it takes to charge. The third icon that we have here is UPS mode. So what UPS mode means, it basically allows the power station to be configured in an inline configuration. So what do I mean by inline? It's basically your power station is connected to direct power, and then your application, either your TV or whatever, is plugged to your power station. So it's inline, and if the main power trips or Eskom decides load shedding, then the main power would go off and the UPS would kick in, right? And there's something like a 0.6 millisecond or 6 millisecond time delay for those things to kick in depending on your device. So UPS modes allow you for inline configuration. Non-UPS, obviously you can't have it plugged in continuously. You have to charge it and then plug it in to use the device. But I think the runtime calculator is an awesome idea from Gizzu, and it helps us solve, okay, which product is going to work for me, number one, as well as number two, considering the recharge time and all of the other features. And we can obviously have a look, and we can also compare the different prices of the products. So yeah, this has been a rather short video, but it has highlighted how you could go about choosing the perfect Gizzu for you. If you guys have any questions regarding any of the Gizzu devices, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you'd like to check out a review of our Hero Core, you can do so in the link above. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. As always guys, my name is Prashant. I'll catch you in the next video, and remember, get a Gizzu